Hi all, I'm Donamo Joyson and in this video we are going to discuss about choice item listener event handling in AWT package of Java. What is AWT? Java AWT Abstract Window Toolkit is an API to develop GUI or window-based applications in Java. Java AWT components are platform dependent. That is, components are displayed according to view of operating system. AWT is heavyweight, that is, its components are using resource of OS. The java.awt package provides class for AWT API such as text field, label, text area, radio button, checkbox, choice, list, etc. This figure shows the hierarchy of AWT. The Java AWT contains fundamental classes used for constructing GUIs. The abstract component class is base class of AWT. Many AWT classes are divided from it. These are old AWT components that are no longer in use. Some of AWT classes derived from component are button, canvas and container. This diagram shows how the classes of AWT and Swing fits together. Event handling in Java. Event handling is the mechanism that controls the event and decides what should happen if an event occurs. This mechanism have the code which is known as event handler that is executed when event occurs. Java uses the deletion event model to handle the events. The model defines the standard mechanism to generate and handle the events. Object of event handling. The delegation event model has the following key participants, namely source and listener. Let's see what is source. Source is an object on which event occurs. Source is responsible for providing information of occurred event to its handler. Java provides us with class of source object. Next, listener. Listener is also known as event handler. Listener is responsible for generating response to an event. From Java implementation point of view, the listener is also known as object. Listener waits until it receives an event. Once the event is received, the listener processes our event and then returns. Next, Java item listener. Java item listener mainly used for item selection and it is an interface that listens for the item event. The interface item listener basically manages the on or off status of one or several items. The Java item listener notifies each and every click on the checkbox and it lets you know against the item event. The package used for item listener was found in the java.awt.event.star. The method used by the item listener was item state changed and get state. Choice. The object of choice class is used to show pop-up menu of choice. Choice is selected by users is shown the top of the menu. Inherits component classes. First, create an object of component and then it add it to the frame. Let's see an example of event handling to create the choice and add item listener to it. This is a Java program to create a simple choice and add item listener to it. For that, we import the packages java.awt.star, javax.swing.star, java.awt.event.star, and we define a class named choice and implements which implements item listener, and we define the components choice C, jframe F, label 1, and then we define the constructor choice, and then main method public static void main string arguments. Then we create the frame. For that we give f equal to new j frame, in brackets we give choice, and then object is choice ch equal to new choice. Then create ePanel. For that jPanel p equal to new jPanel and create a choice. For we give c equal to new choice. Then add elements to the list. For that we give c dot add Andrew, c dot add in bracket Arnab, and c dot add in bracket Ankit. Then we should add item listener to it. For that we give the command c dot add item listener of ch. Then create the label. For that L equal to new label. Then set the label text. For that L dot set text of c dot get selected item, and that concatenate the string select, and then add choice to the panel. For that p dot add of c and p dot add of L, and add panel to the frame. For that f dot add of p. Then show the frames. For that f dot show and f dot set size 300, 300. If an item is selected, we give public void item state changer and item event e, and we give L dot set text and c dot get selected item, and concatenate the selected, concatenate the string selected. This is the output of above program choice, and if we select Andrew from choice, then the label shows Andrew selected. That's all for the choice item listener in AWT package of Java, and thank you.